Trading 101. In this video, we will be analyzing and forecasting for the week ahead for Bitcoin, BTC, USD from 25 May till 29 May. If you do like my video on Bitcoin analysis and prediction, do consider subscribing, as 92.7 viewers viewing my video aren't subscribed. So do consider subscribing to support me to make this kind of videos. Now in Bitcoin we can see a hidden bullish divergence being formed, as I will show you. The market is making higher low from here till here. However, the indicator should also make an higher low. However, the indicator is making a lower low. Or a double bottom. Here till here. Thus, the hidden bullish divergence suggests that the market will or has entered in the bullish momentum, as we have seen an breakout of trend line in the Bitcoin, as I will show you. Here we can see that the market has breakout from the trend line and is continuing its move or its bullish momentum upwards. Thus, a buy position can be created, as the market has recently making the hidden bullish divergence and the breakout of the trend line has been occurred, and there isn't any significant move in the Bitcoin. Furthermore, on 4 hourly we can see that the Bitcoin has currently taken the support of the support zone, which I will draw. Here we can see that the Bitcoin has taken the support, and the support zone is valid, as previously the market has taken the support and bounces off from there. From the support was an average of 8,300, and the market has reached the recent highs, which was some around 9,900, and bounces off from there. The market has taken the support again. We can see the market has done few fake breakouts on the way. Thus, this suggests that the stop loss for our long position should be placed within an distance. Thus, on here we can see a test towards the support zone, and this would be a entry trigger for going long on Bitcoin, and with a stop loss just placed here. The entry target will be some around 9,998, and the stop loss would be some around 8,920, and the TP would be some around 9,600. This trade will provide the risk to reward of approx 1:3, which is a great risk to reward. Moreover, we can see an symmetrical triangle being formed in Bitcoin, as I will show you here. we can here clearly see that the Bitcoin has been in a range bound zone, and the Bitcoin has tested the resistance, then tested the 50 MA or a moving average, then tested the resistance, again tested the resistance, breaking out through the 50 MA and testing the support, which was a recent activity. What I am expecting for the Bitcoin is a move towards the support again and a move upwards towards the resistance. Thus, the buy position which would be created here, the TP would be placed somewhere around here. If so, the market bounces off the resistance we have taken our TP, and so that we do not lose our winning trade with an TP placed some around here. Moreover, a breakout of this symmetrical triangle will trigger a long position for the Bitcoin, and the TP would be placed some around 18,000 till 19,000, which is a great risk to reward, as the stop loss would be just placed around below the symmetrical triangle if there is a breakout, which isn't a likely situation currently. What I am expecting for the next week is a test towards the support, move towards upwards, and then another test towards the support zone, and then a breakout, which would be likely to occur in a 2 or 3 week time tenure. However, if we see a 4-hourly candle closing below the symmetrical triangle, we can go for short position, as we previously we have only seen the false breakout from the support zone. However, if there is a close of 4-hourly candle, this will confirm that the bearish momentum in the Bitcoin will continue, and the bullish momentum or the divergence which has occurred was a false pattern or a technical in order to catch the buyers and hit their stop losses. Thus, if we see a close of 4-hourly candle some around here, thus a sale position can be created, and this trade will provide us an risk reward of approx 1:4. Now, coming on a lower time frame of 1-hourly chart, here we can see couple of pattern being formed, such as descending channel and the Bitcoin taking the support, and here also we can see a divergence. However, this divergence is opposite to the divergence which we have seen on 4-hourly chart, and this divergence is an hidden bearish divergence. It is when the market is making lower high, and the indicator should also make a lower high. However, the indicator is making higher high as shown. Thus, now going on in depth for our entry trigger to go long on Bitcoin is that if we see an breakout of this trend line, thus a long position can be created. Moreover, we can see a descending channel being formed, as I will show you. Here we can see that the market has breaking out the descending channel, and a ascending channel has been formed, as I will show you. Here the market has making a descending channel which is in quite steep, here the market has tested the support here also, and there is a breakout some around here. Now currently the market is making an ascending channel, as I will show you. Thus the long and short positions can be created within the range. Here, thus a short term long position can be created with the TP just placed some around 9300. Okay, now coming on in conclusion, we are bullish for the Bitcoin, as many technical patterns such as symmetrical triangle taking the support of the trend line and then 4-hourly chart, and the patterns such as ascending triangle supports the idea that we can see an bullish momentum in Bitcoin. However, for short term or an scalping, we can take the help of this ascending channel, which I have drawn on an 1-hourly chart, or short term trades within, as the Bitcoin is in a range bound, and then long position can be created within TP just placed below the resistance line, then and short position can be created and a SL should be placed just above the resistance and below the, and the TP should be placed just above the support line. If you want to know how the fundamentals of the economic events being held in the next week would affect the Bitcoin, you can see my forecast or the weekly forecast for gold. In the end of the video, I have explained the economic data, their significance and the impact on the gold. The same impact would be on the Bitcoin, as the quote currency USD is same in XAU USD and the BTC USD. So the same principle applying to the gold will also apply to the Bitcoin. If you do like my analysis and the weekly forecast on Bitcoin, do consider subscribing, as the views or the viewers viewing my video aren't subscribed. Their percentage is around 92.7. So do consider subscribing to support me, and if you do like my analysis, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.